In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a card layout in Figma. A card layout is a versatile building block used in dashboards, product lists, and marketing pages. We'll keep things simple and efficient by starting from a ready-made community template, then tailoring it to your needs so you can move fast while learning solid design habits. Begin by heading to figma.com in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can open and edit files. Once you're on the homepage or inside the app, look for the community section. This is where creators share files and templates you can explore and reuse, which makes it perfect for finding a clean, professional starting point. Use the search bar in community and type card layout. You'll see a mix of files, UI kits, and components. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails and titles, and if available, filter to files to focus on editable resources. Open a few previews to check whether the card styles match your use case, things like image placement, text hierarchy, and spacing. It's also a good idea to glance at the description for notes on how the file is organized and whether it uses auto layout. When you find a template you like, click into it to view the details, then choose Open in Figma. The file will load into your drafts so you can work without affecting the original. Give the file or page a clear name to keep your workspace tidy, and then zoom into the frame that contains the card examples. Now it's time to customize. Start by selecting a single card. If the template uses auto layout, you'll see controls for spacing and padding in the right-hand panel. Adjust these to create comfortable breathing room. Replace placeholder images by selecting the image layer and updating the fill. Edit text content directly on the canvas, and keep your typography consistent by using the existing text styles if the template provides them. For colors, look for color styles in the right panel. Switching styles updates the palette across the card while maintaining harmony. Refine the look with subtle tweaks. Adjust corner radius for a softer feel, review shadows for depth without harshness, and ensure consistent spacing between elements like the image, title, description, and button. If you plan to reuse the card, convert it to a component so you can duplicate it and keep changes synchronized. Test responsiveness by resizing the card or its parent frame. If needed, update auto layout settings or constraints so the layout adapts gracefully. Once you're happy, duplicate the card to build a grid, align it to columns, and you've got a polished card layout ready for your project.